Alright guys, I've never done the walk around of the car before, but here it is. 2009 SI FA5. It's kind of dirty because I took it fishing here with me. Really dirty, super dusty. Had to drive on a dirt road to get here. Have the base model RSX exhaust tip. Replaced the oval SI one because I don't like the look of the oval. I'll give you some interior shots in a bit. Open up the back seat. Got my recyclables. My son's booster seat. I have the seat folded down so I can put the fishing pole in here. Yeah, I got a piece of bird dookie right here. I know. I'll clean it up when I get home. Kind of dirty right now. Stitched the steering wheel myself. Got the dash mat. I'm not sure if it's OEM or not. I bought it from someone. I got a Mishimoto shift knob here, but covered it up from the summertime. It's not summer anymore, so I think I'll be able to take it off. Have a aftermarket Kenwood double din with navigation. Got my wife's coffee. But here's the interior, the exterior, what it looks like. Mod lists include Mishimoto intake, 1320 header, high flow cat, and I think I said Flash Pro already. Show you guys the goods. So I got the Mishimoto carb legal intake, got a 1320 header, can't see that. I just recently took off my engine coater intake. It's about to be winter time, rainy season, so I don't want to mess with any of that. We got Team SI, and I'm on spec tuning. I got Exetti Stage 1 clutch with the Exetti lightweight flywheel. I never took it to the track on this setup yet, but I'm hoping I will soon one day. I got the Hassport top dog bolt mount. I got the Hassport rear mount, both of them 62A stiffness. Got the red emblems and Honda factory performance lip. Just covered it up. Just covered up the license plate. Fishing backpack, my fishing pole. You guys probably don't want to know about that. If you do, let me know. I'll give you a tour of my fishing stuff. I got a kayak at home, and I got a Blackview 750 dash cam, as you can see right there. I got front and rear hardwired, so it's recording 24/7. The rear camera, I don't know if you can see it. The window's kind of dirty, but it's right there. I don't know if I can see it. It's kind of sunny out here, so I'm not sure, but it's right there. But yeah, that's what the car looks like. It's dirty from all the dust from driving on the dirt road down there. Hope y'all enjoyed.